Davao City 1st District Representative Paolo Duterte is the new chair of the Committee on Accounts of the House of Representatives, replacing Cavite 8th District Representative Abraham Bambol Tolentino. The committee handles the internal expenses of the lower house, including salaries, allowances, and other benefits. The presidential son's appointment came hours after Marinduque Representative Lord Alan Velasco took over as Speaker. A day before his appointment, Representative Duterte resigned as Deputy Speaker of then House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano. The presidential son maintained his neutrality over the leadership scuffle between Velasco and Cayetano. On October 13, Velasco was elected as the 27th Speaker of the House. That same day, Cayetano tendered his irrevocable resignation.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.